This video is a selection of the new and updated features we're excited to share with you from the August 2022 release. The full list of features can be found in the August 2022 version 20.22.8 release notes, which you can find on Brightspace Community. This month we're highlighting the following features. Access new shortcuts to undo and redo PDF annotations on evaluations with assignments. With Brightspace Data Sets, quiz objects include the additional column Paging Type ID. Seamlessly access files from personal and Workspace Google accounts with a single file picker using Google File Picker. Save time and prevent data loss with the Restore Deleted Quizzes functionality in the Quizzes tool. In assignments, apply the filters Show Everyone and Show All Groups for individuals and group assignments. And finally, a summary of changes made for all the other features. Let's take a closer look at this month's features. With this release, the Assignments tool features an undo and redo button for use with PDF annotations when evaluating assignment submissions. You can also use standard keyboard shortcuts when using the undo and redo functionality. These are Ctrl-Z or Command-Z for undo, and Ctrl-Shift-Z or Command-Shift-Z for redo. In Assignments, navigate to the PDF assignment you wish to view. Click the Annotations button in the PDF viewer. When making annotations, click the Undo or Redo buttons as needed. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcuts. The Assignments feature implements the following PI items. The 6620, Undo button and freezing a student work on screen. The 7342, Online correction tool, undo keyboard shortcut. And the 8698, Annotation tool improvement suggestions. Thank you to Brandon Sawyer, Mandeep Deegan, and Christina Bagley for putting forward these PI suggestions to implement this feature. The Assignments feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled. The Brightspace Data Set quiz objects now includes a new column called Paging Type ID that exposes page break information set on a quiz from the new quiz creation experience. The possible values for Paging Type ID are uses classic quiz creation paging equals null, all questions on one page equals 0, one question per page equals 1, and page breaks after each section equals 2. The Brightspace Data Sets feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled. With this release, Brightspace Learning Environment replaces the previous multiple file pickers with a single universal file picker for Google accounts. This supports both personal and Workspace Google accounts. The previous file picker is being replaced with the updated file picker to integrate Google Workspace. Note that selecting multiple files is temporarily not possible and will be restored at a later date. The Google File Picker feature implements the following PI items. The 2792 allow Google Docs submissions from any Google account. The 5086 display Google Drive in submissions for all accounts. The 1709 upload files from cloud-based services, and D5795, Google Drive OneDrive Picker integration. Thank you to Jonathan Sorrenti, Jeff Allison, and all those who put forward these PI suggestions to implement this feature. The Google File Picker feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled with Google Suite and Google Drive. This feature provides a new option to allow instructors to restore deleted quizzes. This option appears in the More Actions menu in the Quizzes tool. Instructors are provided with a list of deleted quizzes that indicates when they were deleted and by whom, along with a Restore button. Restored quizzes automatically restore any associated quiz attempts, statistics, and scores. Links to a grade item and competencies are not restored. In the Quizzes tool, navigate to Manage Quizzes. Click on More Actions and select Restore from the drop-down menu. Click the Restore button for the quiz you wish to restore. Once you're finished, click the Manage Quizzes link to return. The Quizzes feature implements the following PI item. D2807, Restore Deleted Quizzes. Thank you to Jonathan Sorrenti for putting forward this PI suggestion to implement this feature. The Quizzes feature is available to all clients. To enable, administrators must enable the Delete and Restore Quizzes permission for the desired instructor roles. This permission was previously Delete Quizzes. Roles with the previous permission now have the updated permission. The Assignments search filter now defaults to Show Everyone for individual assignments and Show All Groups for group assignments. Instructors can apply additional filters to improve search optimization. Previously, the search filter defaulted to users with submissions for individual assignments and submitted groups for group assignments. In Assignments, navigate to Submissions. Click the Show Search Options link to expand the filters list. The default for individual assignments is Show Everyone. To change this filter, select an option from the drop-down menu. Click the Search Magnifying Glass to update the results table. The Assignments feature implements the following PI items. D1659, Show All Students when going to Grade in Shared Folder, and D5126, Change Assignment Submissions Default to View All Users. Thank you to Brandon Sawyer and Elizabeth Harmsen for putting forward these PI suggestions to implement this feature. The Assignments feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled. Finally, let's take a quick look at the other features for this month's release. In the Audio-Visual tool, obsolete configuration variables related to the Download button have been removed. Extend your learning ecosystem with Brightspace Course Connector for Microsoft Teams. With Brightspace Editor, easily insert code snippets with the Insert Code option. Brightspace Editor's Insert Stuff option now includes Media Library, as well as allowing for quick access and management of the files you uploaded. With Brightspace Insights, use additional data and sorting options in the new Adoption dashboard. The status indicator is now set to title case to improve readability throughout Brightspace Learning Environment. OAuth 2 compliant added for user login in Brightspace Pulse. With intelligent agents, create more flexible agents with fewer criteria. With language management, clients can update Mastery View terminology to better reflect their institutional preferences. With LTI, manage grade associations for LTI content in New Content Experience. Paper Airplane icon no longer appears for topics posted to Activity Feed in New Content Experience. And lastly, End of Life for Disable Right-Click option in the Quizzes tool. We hope you enjoyed this month's release highlights. As before, you can get the full details of this month's changes in the August 2022 version 20.22.8 release notes on Brightspace Community. See you next month!